How to start a dropshipping business. Entrepreneurship comes in many different shapes. One of them being a dropshipping business. To those alien to the term, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases it from a third party and ships it directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. Now that you know what it is time to talk about how to start a dropshipping business. Firstly, we need to discuss the concerned parties that are involved in dropshipping. It only has 3 core members since it is not that complex of a process. The 3 key players in the dropshipping business model are the manufacturer, the retailer, you, and the customer. The manufacturer's role is to create the product that is to be sent to the customer by way of the retailer. Other jobs related to the manufacturing department include carrying inventory, shipping products, and getting rid of replacing defective items that the customer receives. They sell products to the retailer at wholesale prices, assuming the risk of unsold inventory. Next, we have the retailer. The retailer is best known as the middleman in the whole process. Since you'll most likely be the retailer in your dropshipping business, you sell the manufacturer's products under the name of your brand. And this is the area where you have complete freedom to experiment. You have full control over the product's prices, whether to put them on sale or not, and the product's marketing. You can do it as you like it without any claims made against you by the manufacturer. You'll also be responsible for the shipping costs of the product and setting prices of the products that will eventually end up making you a profit. Setting prices of products according to your liking is feasible, since you can cover shipping and delivery costs as per your wishes. The third and final piece of the puzzle is the customer, to whom the product is eventually delivered. But things are tweaked up in the sense that the customer doesn't buy items directly from the manufacturer. Instead, the retailer sells him the product. If questions or issues arise, they contact the retailer they purchased a product from. Being a retailer, how you'll kickstart your dropshipping business is crucial. Because a good start is what will give you much needed profits at the beginning of the road. First and foremost, you'll need to commit yourself to start a dropshipping business. Like all the other good things in life that'll need you to commit, so does a dropshipping business. Because many people think that they'll get bundles of profits as soon as they start, and when that doesn't tend to happen, it leaves them disillusioned, and they wrap up the idea of dropshipping altogether. It would help if you were patient after you execute your moves. Because 2 of the most important things you have will be invested in this job. Your time or your money. At the beginning of the project, you need to be aware of the particulars of drop shopping and get to know the ins and outs. You'll then get to develop skills that cause you to progress steadily. From an investment point of view, you don't need to spend a large amount of money on the project. Invest your time instead. Learn how this particular business works, only then invest an amount you feel like investing. You will need $1,000 at minimum to kickstart your project and have everything operational and in place. This amount will cover your minor operating expenses and the fee to the dropshipping suppliers. Moving forward, next, you have the niche that you'll be choosing for your business. Research on what the market currently values. Shortlist the most likely options and then decide from the list. Jotting your niches down will prevent you from being confused, since there are more than 1 million niches you could choose from. But try to go with something you have a little information about beforehand, so that you don't get caught off guard and have the expertise to at least tell the real product from a fake copy. Once you know what the customers want in the market, then it is time to link up with the best manufacturers, one that fits your price bracket, to start getting orders. You could do one more thing after deciding the niche, is checking the market trend and the potential competitors you'll be having once you break into a specific market. Studying your competition is necessary if you want your competition to grow and leave them behind. You can use Google Trends, SEO, and keywords that help you decide which niche to select. Once you decide upon a niche, you can freely move towards creating your e-commerce store or website by advertising related products in your inventory. Expanding your products is the first sign of the growth of your business. Once you've managed to set up your store from A to Z, you start marketing your products. Marketing is that one area where you aren't bound by anything. You could sell anywhere on the internet that is free, or you could also do so by word of mouth among your social circles. With websites like Facebook, Google, and Instagram allowing you to market your products seamlessly, your products will boom if sold the right way. You could also get influencers to market your products, since they have such a large following on social media platforms. Send them a product along with a discount code that their followers could use while buying products from your website. Many other websites like Twitter and Reddit also have forums where you can market your stuff to reach a more significant and variable audience. To sum up the rule of marketing: market everywhere you can get money from. Simple as that. Finally, with what you're offering with your products, you need to make sure that you don't let go of analysis. With every step on the road, you need to analyze what the customer wants and how many different kinds of the same product they need. Because honestly speaking, a customer's preference changes each day. So make sure you keep up. Improving your customer experience will get you many loyal customers who will always rely on you to deliver your product at the right time and at the right price, even though it isn't yours. Conclusion: whether you're a new entrepreneur or an e-commerce vet, a dropshipping business is a great low-risk, low-cost way to start selling online. With the rise in third-party apps and marketing automation tools, it's no longer a struggle to run your business, even if it's a dropshipping business. So if you believe you have an idea that's fit to go ahead as a dropshipping business, now is the time to execute it, because who knows, if you be patient and have the right products in place, your dropshipping business could be a wonder for the times to come.